Hello, this is Mario from Audion. In this video, we will explain the directivity editor. Here, you can create or edit directivity balloons. Let's try creating one from scratch. You will find this in the Tools menu at the top. Then Directivity Patterns, and then Create Directivity Pattern in Plot Editor. This table shows the azimuth values, so the horizontal directivity and the corresponding plot here. You will notice that the values are to be entered in increments of 10 degrees and in octave bands. The other table below is for elevation, so vertical directivity with its corresponding plot here. These huge tables can look overwhelming, but you don't actually need to enter all values. All you need is a few fixed values, and Audion will interpolate the rest of the response. For example, let's first enter 50 dB at 0 degrees in the 1 kHz octave band. Notice that the fixed checkmark gets automatically ticked, meaning that this value will remain as a defined value instead of generating an interpolated value. Now we will enter 0 dB at 90 degrees and 30 dB at 180 degrees. Notice that the elevation plot has also changed according to our horizontal directivity. And you can see the full directivity balloon over here. The plots will show the currently selected octave band, which you can change here. We have some handy mirror functions here. Let's mirror our values left to right, considering 0 degrees as the frontal direction. If we click Revolve, this will take the left half of the horizontal directivity and revolve it around the frontal axis. If you click on a point, it will take you to that value in the table. You can also flip plots and copy the currently selected frequency band to all bands or a single destination band. Finally, you can calibrate the response. Here, you will enter the desired spectrum, which can either be the total power or the free field axial SPL at a certain distance. Then, you click the corresponding button, and the values in the tables will be adjusted to conform to the desired spectrum. Then, we can create the file, and it will be ready to apply. With that, we conclude this tutorial, and we hope you have found it useful. Good luck!